15. Amazing phone functions you had no idea existed nowadays. Everyone has a cell phone in their pocket, however. Only a few people know about the hidden opportunities available by pressing certain key combinations. There are many of these codes. Some of them work with all phones, others only with certain models, but all of them allow you to try some cool and useful features. The Brightside team has gathered the most interesting combinations that will give you access to the hidden functions of your phone. Did you know that you can hide your number in every outgoing call you make? Watch our new video to find out even more great phone tricks. Number 15, IMEI number. This simple code, *#06#, is available for both iPhone and Android users by pressing it. You can see your International Mobile Equipment Identity Number, or as it's shortly called, IMEI. IMEI is a unique code for your phone. It can be incredibly useful in a lot of cases. For example, if you lose your phone or somebody steals it, knowing your IMEI number. You can easily block your device from your service provider network. If it's necessary, police often use this number for identification. So just press this combination to find out what unique number your phone has. You never know when you'll need it. Number 14, number identification. The code *#, 30 pound will help you turn your number identification on or off, so if you want to hide your identity and go incognito for some time, this is the way to go. It works the other way around. Also, by pressing *# 30 pound, you can find out the number identification of the person who's calling you if he or she didn't turn it off beforehand. Fortunately, this only works on iPhones. Number 13, statistics and secret menu. The combination *#, *#, 4636 pound. *#, has various purposes depending on your device. If you have an Android, use this code to see the Wi-Fi signal, as well as your battery and CPU usage statistics, along with other information. Each of these selections has a variety of options. For example, in battery statistics, you can find out your battery's health level and even temperature. This code is also quite useful for those people who stick to Motorola, as it opens up a secret menu of the phone number. 12. No outgoing calls. The next code is working only on iPhones. The main aim of it is to disable any outgoing calls. Sometimes it is very necessary, and this code will definitely come in handy. So if you want to try it, just press the following combination, *3, 3 *#, voila. Now you won't be bothered by any outgoing calls. Don't forget that you can turn this function off anytime by pressing *33 * pin pound number 11, instant factory settings. Good news for Android lovers. You can have an instant return to factory states after using the combination *#, *#, 7780 pound, *#. Your phone will remove Google account settings as well as application data and settings. If you're in the mood for getting all the initial settings back, you can do it with a couple of simple clicks. Don't forget that this combination is irreversible, so don't use it without a good reason. Number 10, whole reinstallation. If you want to go a little further and set everything on your phone to your liking from scratch, you can always reset all of your settings at once. The code *2767 *3855 pound will not only remove all your phone files and settings, but also reinstall your phone's firmware. So again, think twice before doing it. Once you press this combination, there's no way back. This code will only work on Android devices though. Number 9, better communication. The combination *3370 pound is available only for iPhone users and turns on an EFR coding. It improves the quality of your communication, but unfortunately reduces battery life. So you have to be prepared that after you activate this feature, your phone will die way sooner than usual. You can always deactivate this function, though, just by pressing #3370 number 8. Listen to yourself. Another fascinating feature is available for Android users. Press the combination *#, *#, 8351 pound. pound asterisk, and you'll be able to listen to recordings of your own voice during the last 20 phone calls. You can do it just for fun, or use this function when you need to refresh something in your memory, and you can miss another great opportunity to cringe at the sound of your voice. I surely won't. Number 7. Service Center. iPhone users can quickly find out the number of a service center for a current provider when in need by simply pressing the combination *pound 5005 *7672 pound. This is a very cool way to be able to get the correct number right here and now, instead of searching for it in other resources. Great idea. Apple. Number 6. Quick turning off. You know, when you long press the power button, your phone gives you some options such as silent and airplane mode, as well as turning the power off. Android users will understand me well. There is a simple code for Android devices that will help you change the power button. Action in your phone. Press *pound 7594 pound *pound and your phone will turn off instantly without showing you this small menu. This trick can be quite useful. Right. Number 5. Call waiting. We all have hectic and busy days when you just can't keep up with everything that's happening. For some of us, multiple calls and messages during the day are basically an essential part of their everyday lives. Well, if you're in this group of people and you have an iPhone, there is a very important function that can make your life way easier. It's this combination. *43 pound, entering it and pressing call will turn on call waiting on your phone, meaning that from now on you'll be notified every time someone is calling you when you're already on hold. Call waiting also allows you to answer the new call right away, a certain must-have. If you change your mind, you could always go back to the start by dialing *43 pound number 4. Quick service menu. The next one is for the owners of Samsung Galaxy phones. You may not know about this, but you can have quick access to your service menu by pressing the combination *pound 0011 pound. With this code, you can explore your service mode and see all the extra information you may need. Number 3. Signal information. There is an interesting option that is available for iPhone users. Graphic mode isn't always correct in showing the level of the signal, which is why sometimes it's better to turn on numeric mode to do that. Enter the field mode by tapping *3001 pound 12345 pound *. Then press and hold power until the off slider appears. Then release power and press home. Now you see your signal in dBA. Keep in mind that -140 dBA is the worst signal you can have, and -40 dBA is, on the other hand, the best one. To leave numeric mode, tap the same code and then press home to exit. Number 2, straight to voicemail. It's no secret that everybody feels like they just don't want to answer the phone from time to time. It can be just because you want to be left alone, or because you have to focus on something way more important, and all these calls keep distracting you. In this kind of situation, iPhone users can turn on the call forwarding function so that all your incoming calls will be pushed right to voicemail. All you have to do is dial *pound 21 pound, and there you go. No more unwanted conversations. You can always turn call forwarding off by dialing the same number when you're ready to pick up your phone again. Number 1, hide your number and outgoing calls. And finally, we got to one of the most interesting secret features your phone secretly has. First of all, it works for both iPhone and Android users, which is wonderful. And secondly, it's this simple combination, #31 pound phone number, that will allow you to hide your phone number in all outgoing calls. It's definitely worth a try. Which one of these codes do you find the most useful? Tell us your opinions in the comments section below. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and join us on the bright path of life.